First off, I want to say hello. I hope you all are doing well. I know it's been a while since I've created this type of Lao food tutorial, but I want to get back into it and make more of these videos for you all because I know you all enjoy them and use them when you're at home making Lao food. In today's video, I'm going to be making a street food snack that's seen all over Luang Prabang. It's taking rice paper rolls, wrapping it with a delicious filling, and then frying it. So think of this as like the sister to egg rolls. We call this Cheun Yaw Khao, and it also comes with a really delicious dipping sauce that I'm going to show you all how to make. And obviously, a lot of people love wrapping it in lettuce. Well, we love wrapping anything in lettuce, so it's going to be a pun. And so I am excited to. Oh, Galabao. Hey, shh. So I'm excited to get cooking, so let's get started. So the first step is preparing all your ingredients. So let's get your dry fungus, and you want to put this into a small bowl and then get some boiling hot water and go ahead and pour it right on top. And this is going to be about 5 minutes until the fungus fully blooms. After that, go ahead and drain it, and then we're going to stack it on top of each other and go ahead and thinly slice this and mince it really well. For the mung bean noodles, we're going to do the same thing. So put the mung bean noodles in a bowl and then go ahead and put that hot water right on top. And you're going to see that this actually cooks way faster. So grab some chopsticks, do some swirling, and it might take a minute or two until the noodles are pretty much cooked. And you want to take it out of the water, strain it so it doesn't overcook because we're going to be deep frying it later to cook it again. And then once you strain it, go ahead and cut it up with some scissors, get into small bite-sized pieces, and then put this on to the side as well. The second type of noodle we're using is vermicelli noodles. So I would say follow the instructions on the back, but typically you'll cook a big boiling pot of water and put it all in there at once. And this should take about 3 to 5 minutes. Every once in a while, go up to it, make sure you mix it well, and then pinch a noodle or two to see if it's ready to be drained. Once the noodles are cooked, go ahead and turn off the heat, and you're going to drain all of this into a strainer. And you kind of want to be fast with this because it can overcook the noodles. So go ahead and strain it and then put it back into the pan. Put cold water a few times. Once it's ready and you can touch it, that's when you know it is ready to be folded into these noodle balls. And then with my pointer finger and thumb, you're going to grab it like this. Grab a small amount, and then with your other hand, you're gonna wrap it around your finger, and then you can carefully squeeze some of the water out, but it should drain really well. And then you're gonna take it off your finger and put it right on the strainer to continue letting it strain and drain out the water. Let's prepare the carrot. This one is really big, so I'm gonna peel the skin off. Then I'm just gonna use a cheese grater to help me get it into really fine pieces, and then put that to the side. And we're gonna do the same thing with this baby taro. So you wanna carefully peel the skin off, and then taro is gonna be a bit thicker, and you wanna be careful because you don't have too much to hold onto the taro when you're grating this. So grate it really well, and then put it to the side. All right, so we have all our ingredients prepped, and now let's grab a big bowl, and you can use whatever type of protein you like. I'm gonna try to be a little healthier, so I'm using ground chicken thigh. So with your ground chicken thigh, go ahead and add it into a bowl, and then you're gonna add the black fungus, mung bean noodles, grated carrot, taro, and then finally we're gonna season it. So seasoning it with oyster sauce, fish sauce, MSG, and salt. Now let's put on some gloves and give this a really good mixing till everything's well incorporated. All right, let's get to wrapping. I think this is a very meditative state because I'm just sitting there enjoying the motion of going back and forth of wrapping it. So we have these small rice paper wraps. So you're gonna dunk these sheets into room temperature water really fast. You don't have to let it sit in there, and then go ahead and put it on a paper towel or something near you. And I like doing 4 at a time because it'll all be ready by the time you start rolling. Let's grab a tablespoon of the filling and make sure that it is evenly put on one of the ends of the rice paper, and then carefully fold it inwards. And you're gonna make sure that there are no air pockets in this so it doesn't explode when you deep fry it. So go slow with this, and then go ahead and bring in the left and right side of the rice paper, and then finish by rolling towards the top. So by the end of this, you should have dozens of rolls. So the oil is heated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And so I'm gonna carefully take about 4 to 6 of these rolls and place them into the oil. In the beginning, you're gonna see that they're gonna stick to each other, but that's why you need some chopstick to carefully separate them. Around 4 minutes, they should be able to fry alone without you having to get chopsticks and remove them from each other. After 8 to 10 minutes, they are done, so go ahead and carefully take them out and put them on some paper towel, and you're gonna line it up just like this. So I would recommend doing this the day before. It's gonna save you a lot of time, and you're gonna have rolls that are extra crispy because we're gonna do a second fry. Fast forward the next day, we have our rolls that have been in the refrigerator. Take them out, and you're gonna get your oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're gonna do a flash fry. So this is gonna be about 2 to 3 minutes of frying. So go ahead and carefully put them into the very hot oil. Then after 3 minutes, you're done. Do the same process, put them on some paper towel to dry and let those sit to the side. While this cools, let's make the sauce. So this is one of my favorite sauces. I actually like using this sauce to eat with my egg rolls, my spring rolls, my deep fried spring rolls. It's very versatile. So I always like making a big batch to have on hand, just because I can dip it into anything. So with the sugar, you're gonna heat it up on a pot on high, and you wanna watch this very carefully because it can burn fast. You wanna get the sugar to a caramelized golden color. Once it's there, go ahead and add the water to stop it from caramelizing, and then get all the sugars melted into the water. And then once that's ready, set it to the side, and let's grab our mortar and pestle. In the mortar and pestle, add garlic and however much chilies you want in there. I'm adding 2 bird-eye chilies, and then crush those finely. After that, you're gonna add about 1/4 cup of peanuts, and you wanna roughly crush that as well. So now let's bring that caramelized water and pour it right into the mortar and pestle. Mix it really well, and then you're gonna squeeze 1/2 a lime on top, and you can add more lime if you want it more acidic. And then finally, you're gonna season it at the end with some fish sauce. Mix it well, and that is how you make jiao wan. This sauce goes perfectly for a lot of different puns and wraps and egg rolls. Here it is, all the Cheun Yaw Khao. Let's go ahead and eat this together. Let me show you how crispy this is. I just want to eat a whole roll to myself first. That's some good stuff. So what I love about Cheun Yaw Khao is that what's different than a egg roll is that because the rice paper is deep fried, you get that crispiness, but also it's still chewy from the rice. And that's what I love. It's so good and so fragrant when you wrap it around with herbs and lettuce. So let's go wrap. And then everyone can assemble to their liking. So for me, I like adding all the fresh herbs and veggies and noodles in here. So I'm gonna grab my lettuce, add the shiso, add the raw rum, some of the vermicelli noodles, and then add as much of the fried rolls on top as you want. I'm just gonna add 1 piece there, wrap it up, and then go ahead and spoon some of that sauce on top. And there you go. That's how you do it. And let's eat this together.
I'm so hungry.
Khop Lai Lai. Thank you so much, friends, for watching. I do have new Eat More Lao food shirts, like this one right here. They are available, so if you love my page and love my videos, go ahead and grab a shirt or two to support. And if you like this video, go ahead and share, subscribe, and like, and I'll see you all next time on Sang's Kitchen. Bye! Hi, Galabao. Can you sit? Good girl. Show them how big you've gotten. Can you satu? Galabao, satu. Satu. Good girl. Satu. Can you do that? Satu. 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 That's a little bit of Galabao praying. Alright. Well, that's a little Galabao update. It's gonna be 3 years old soon. Oh my gosh. So young, but so old. You want to show them the stairs? Go up the stairs. Go up. Good girl. Go down. Come down. Downstairs. Down. Good girl. Good job. High five. Good job. You've done your work. Go. You can go now.